How to activate an eSIM on iPhone. The latest iPhone models are eSIM-compatible. With this feature, multiple SIMs can be stored on your device. You can even have two SIM cards active at the same time. Activate an eSIM with a QR code. To activate an eSIM using a QR code to a compatible device, follow these steps. Make sure you're connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or an existing cellular network. If your iPhone isn't using iOS 12 or later, be sure to update your phone. Using your camera app, point the lens at the QR code to scan it. Tap the notification that appears and select Add Cellular Plan. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete setup. Manually set up an eSIM on your iPhone. In some cases, your wireless carrier will require you to set up your eSIM manually. Once your carrier sends you a notification to install your eSIM and provides you with the necessary information, follow these steps. Make sure you're connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or an existing cellular network. If your iPhone isn't using iOS 12 or later, be sure to update your phone. Go to Settings, Cellular. Click Add Cellular Plan. Select Scan or Enter Code, followed by Enter Details manually. Enter details manually. In most cases, only the SMDP address and activation code is required. Click Next and follow the instructions on your screen to complete setup.